dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone. Neath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people maybe, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one dared disturb the sound.
Nag-poop na yung nanay nila. Huwag matakot. Lapit. It's okay. Ulat ang sino. Sige na, inom na. Hinaharang ko sila. Ginantay. Hello. Hello. Huwag matakot. Hello. Huwag nga matakot. Takot pa sila sa akin. Ang halaman nila namin dito ang kinakain. Buti marunong yung puso nila kinakain. Gina, magsibalik na kayo ha. Wow, na ako sila eh. Pinapainom ko yan dito.